To all my loyal viewers, supporters, the ones that we are watching now say nothing, no worry, still as soon. Love on the same way. To all my new subscribers, my potential subscribers, what are you waiting for? Click that notification bell. Up, the kitchen will get started and we have some nice things that go on in there. And for all of the people them way,
love them belly.
yeah man, you sure will start. Welcome once again to another episode in my kitchen. Yeah man. Red pea soup is on the menu today. It's a traditional meal in the Caribbean. And we Jamaicans, we love our red pea soup with lots of flavor, not to mention meat and thickness. Yeah, so I will be sharing with you the recipe how to make your soup rich and thick like mine. So grab your pots, grab your spoons, grab your ingredients, grab everything that you need to make this wonderful dish. Yes, the intro, it says a lot. I'm gonna get right into it. In this container I have about 1.5 pounds of red peas. It's been soaking since day. I'm gonna add it to my inner pot for the pressuring. I'm just gonna pour all its contents into my inner pot, and as you can see, garlic is in it and all. I'm just gonna go ahead and add my seasonings to flavor my peas, and this is 1 tablespoon of salt. This will give my peas flavor that they need. I'm gonna add some more water. I'm gonna add it in a pot inside of the outer pot. Close the lid and pre-select 30 minutes meat. Press start. So with just about 19 minutes left for my peas to be completed, and yes, the vent is on sealing to prevent all the pressure from escaping from the pot. I went ahead and peeled my cocoa, my sweet potato, the carrot is here, the spring onion is here, and the Irish potatoes. I just love to taste the rich, creamy flavor in my pea soup. So I am blending 1 medium-sized coconut to be added to my soup further on. And of course you can use your coconut milk powder if you choose, or you can just go in the store and pick up that canned coconut milk. But I prefer to grate or blend my coconut. I went ahead and juiced it or milked it, and yes, this is the result. So I'll be adding it to my pot. So it's time to prepare the meat. The peas is finished, so I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 sachet of my Maggi all-purpose seasoning, and I'm using 3 different types of meat. I'm using chicken foot, I'm using turkey neck, and beef. I'm going in with 1 tablespoon of my blended all-purpose seasoning and some salt. I just added some to my discretion. I'm gonna stir it and then close the lid for the pressure. Time to add my coconut milk to the peas. Oh yes, I went ahead and added the peas to the pot in the background. So I'm fusing that coconut milk with the peas for that flavorful combination. And I'm gonna leave this to be brought to a boil for about 10 minutes before adding my meat. So I'm adding my carrots, Irish potatoes, fresh thyme leaves, spring onion, a few pimento berries, and in my hand I have the king for the show. You'll see, you will see. There we go. One fat scotch bonnet pepper, and that will flavor the entire meal. That will bring flavor. Oh, and I use my knife to puncture a few holes in that pepper so that the soup can seep through it and bring out the flavor in the entire pot. I hope it's not too hot. I just hope it's not too hot. I'm going in with my spicy cock soup mix. I'm gonna just sift it through because I don't want the noodles in the mix. So I'm just gonna sift it through so that only the powder will go in the pot. I'm gonna stir this, mixing all that cock soup flavor into the pot. It's a very huge pot of soup. My neighbors will be lining up for some. Yeah, so I'm stirring and I'm gonna cover this and allow it to boil for a further 10 to 15 minutes before I turn my stove off, just to get it a little thicker than it is at the moment. Thanks again for tuning into this kitchen. Please remember to subscribe, hit the notification bell for any new content we drop. Yeah man. Alright, like, share, leave your comments below. Any questions or queries. Respect.